the lake, the back side of Deals Gap, top side, whatever you want to call it. I feel this will be the last time I ride Deals Gap this year. Who knows? But I'm feeling it. There's a few other roads I'd rather ride before the weather gets really terrible. But I might come through here once the leaves fall off the trees. So you all can see what it's like, no leaves. It's a different road. But I'm going to shoot this video up to the Overlook. Then I have to stop and clean my face shield. How cool would it be to see a Mustang crash in front of us? I'm thinking amazing. It'd be great. Is every Mustang owner a douchebag? I know the answer is yes, so you don't have to really answer that. Oh, a wrecker. That is not good this morning. That is not good this morning. I forgot about the hunters being out here this weekend. Alright, I'm not going to follow Alexis, so I'm going to do the pull-off thing, clean off my face shield. I'll start a new video for y'all.
There's a Ferrari that it's in a wreck about maybe a mile out.